So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your particular iOS 18 device, basically the emojis are way too big in it, and you might be trying to figure out how you can make the emojis smaller. Now, the short answer of this is, can you even make these smaller? Well, as of this point, there's not a way to go ahead and basically get them back to iOS 17 design. So for some reason, Apple went through and they made these emojis on iOS, 18. I guess not bigger, but they just removed all the spacing around it, so they're just way less close to each other, which could be nice. However, if your emojis are very, very big, that might mean your zooming in on your display might be a little bit too much. So you can change your zoom in and how big the layout is on your particular device by going inside of your settings application like this. You can go inside of display and brightness, which is right here. Then what you can do is you can scroll down until you see display zoom right at the very end. You can change it to basically back to default. So when you go through and you go ahead and basically change it from zoom to default or default to zoom, it changes how big everything looks. So if your emojis look like this on your display, that might be too annoying. But if you want to change it back to the normal size, you can go back here and change it back to default, and that will make it a little bit more easier on the eyes. Now beyond that, if you're actually looking at these and you're trying to figure out what's going on, basically within iOS 18, Apple has gone through and made these emojis bigger a little bit and removed spacing around it. So there's really nothing we can do now. I think in the future, Apple might change it back to the original design, but as of right now, we can't really change it natively unless you change your default zoom, then it changes it back to this, which is still not normal. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.